The code P185B Clutch stroke. Self-tuning is specific to dual clutch, DSG, automatic manual. Transmissions, mainly in VW Audi Skoda. Seat. It shows up when the transmission control module, mechatronics, detects a problem while performing the self-adjustment of the clutch stroke. What it means. The clutch stroke adaptation is a process where the TCM learns the exact engagement or disengagement travel of the clutch. If this calibration fails or the values are out of range, the ECU sets P185B. Basically, the gearbox cannot properly learn the clutch bite point, so gear shifts may become jerky, delayed, or fail. Common causes. 1. Worn clutch pack, friction plates too thin or glazed. 2. Mechatronic failure, faulty clutch actuator, pressure regulator, or hydraulic circuit inside the DSG unit. 3. Lower contaminated DSG fluid, affects hydraulic pressure and calibration. 4. Adaptation not completed, if clutch learning wasn't done after repairs or battery disconnection. 5. Electrical or wiring issues, bad connections to the mechatronic, unit or clutch actuator sensors. 6. Software corruption, outdated or corrupted TCM software. How to fix. 1. Run a clutch adaptation, self-learning, procedure. Requires VCDs, ODIs, or equivalent scan tool. Perform basic settings clutch adaptation. Often fixes the code if clutches and hydraulics are still healthy. 2. Check DSG fluid. Correct fluid level and condition are critical. Replace DSG oil and filter if overdue. 3. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for corrosion or broken wires at the mechatronic unit. 4. Check clutch wear. If clutches are worn beyond spec, adaptation won't succeed, clutch pack replacement needed. 5. Mechatronic repair or replacement, if actuators or hydraulic control circuits are faulty. 6. Software update or reflash TCM, sometimes needed after repair.